Hi, I'm Annette with Designer Drains, and clearly you've made it to the round drain section. I'm going to show you a few different options that you might find in your home. Let's take a look. Odds are, if you have a round drain in your home, you're going to be looking at an OD, and we have a few different choices that you might see in your shower drain. First off here we have the cast iron. Over here we have the black plastic, which is the ABS. And over here we have the white plastic, which is your PVC. So if you have a drain cover that looks something like this or this, you have an OD 4-inch drain cover. This is just how easy it is to replace the 4-inch grate cover. Just take these two little screws like that. And then you have your gorgeous designer drain cover. And just pop right back on. Now if you happen to have one of these where you don't see any fastening holes revealed, no problem. You simply pop it off by placing your screwdriver in there and it reveals your fastening holes right here.